Hi, I'm Tina Patterson, clinician with a mission, and I am here in Newbridge, Scotland, working with parents and teachers and clinicians, and we've been talking about conflict resolution. Well, one of the things I want to talk to you about today was how to resolve conflict between your children. When my kids were little and I would hear them fussing and fighting in the living room, in the kitchen, in the car, I remembered that I needed to stop and get involved because they couldn't solve those problems on their own. I needed to talk to them about what the conflict was about and make sure they learned how to compromise. The older one could compromise with the younger one and the younger one with the older one without any bullying or name-calling or condescending kind of attitudes and actions. So remember that your children need you to teach them how to resolve conflict and to get involved and not leave them to try and solve it on their own because they don't have those skills yet. So listen, if you want more information about behavior quick tips and how to solve problems, my name is Tina Patterson. I'm clinician with a mission. Please visit me on Facebook and my YouTube channel.